This video demonstrates how to perform user provisioning with manual group mapping between IDP and Atlassian. We first configure the basic settings required to set up the connection between IDP and miniOrange. Now, to configure the manual group mapping, under the Import Group section of the Mo User Sync plugin, select the Manual Group Mapping option. From the available drop-down, you can select auto-populated Jira native groups against which you can type in the IDP group. We have linked 2 different IDP groups to 2 native Jira groups. Check under the native Jira groups. The users are not currently present, which we want to sync in the IDP. Under IDP, we see 2 different groups with different users. Now, let's sync the users and check on the provisioning results. Allow some time to complete the sync process. We can see the new users are created under the Jira native groups, which were under different groups in IDP.